There is a verse in the Quran, 2:282, which says to believers that when you contract a debt for a specific term, then write it down, and let a scribe write it down for you in justice, and bring 2 witnesses from among your men. And if 2 men are not available, then a man and 2 women, so that if one of the 2 women forgets, the other can remind her, validating the testimony. 2 women equaling 1 man doesn't mean putting the women inferior to men, which many of the people argue. This was for the reason that at the time of revelation, and even now in the present world, women are less involved in public, commercial transactions, thus necessitating a companion for confidence in court. This rule is not universal for all testimony, however, it is specifically for financial documentation, not for cases where women have expertise or direct knowledge. Some interpretations argue that it is not about the intellectual superiority of men over women, but rather a practical, cautionary measure for legal accuracy in specific circumstances. The Quran focuses on addressing fundamental aspects of human life rather than engaging with passing trends in sexual politics or hidden agendas. It acknowledges certain realities. For instance, it is a commonly observed fact that, on average, men tend to have more expertise in business matters than women. Additionally, in specific situations, such as when a husband accuses his wife of infidelity, the testimony of a woman may carry more weight than that of a man. In slightly different circumstances, the Quran requires the testimony of 4 male witnesses to establish a claim of this nature. This verse of the Quran deals only with financial transactions. In such cases, it is advised to make an agreement in writing between the parties and take 2 witnesses, preferably both of which should be men only. In case you cannot find 2 men, then 1 man and 2 women would suffice. For instance, suppose a person wants to undergo an operation for a particular ailment. To confirm the treatment, he would prefer taking references from 2 qualified surgeons. In case he is unable to find 2 surgeons, his second option would be 1 surgeon and 2 general practitioners who are plain MBBS doctors. Similarly, in financial transactions, 2 men are preferred. Islam expects men to be the breadwinners of their families. Since financial responsibility is shouldered by men, they are expected to be well versed in financial transactions as compared to women. As a second option, the witness can be 1 man and 2 women, so that if one of the women forgets, the other can remind her. In cases such as murder, where a woman is more terrified as compared to a man, 2 women are equivalent to 1 male witness, because due to their emotional condition, they may get confused. Some incidents require only female witnesses, and that of a male cannot be accepted, for instance in dealing with the problems of women. The seeming inequality of male and female witnesses in certain circumstances is not due to any inequality of the sexes in Islam. It is only due to the different natures and roles of men and women in society as anticipated by Islam.